Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use a VPN on Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, you need to open up your Play Store application on Android mobile phone, and then you can search for the VPN application. And I'm going to recommend you two VPN applications we can use for our Android mobile phone. The first one is called Touch VPN. You can go to the search menu and then search for the Touch VPN. Okay, this one guys, you can use this VPN application for your Android mobile phone. And here, as you can see, I have installed this application, so I'm just going to click on open. Okay, and don't worry guys, we can use this VPN application for free. You just need to click on connect, and then if you want to get the VPN or use this VPN for free, we can watch advertisement. Okay, and after we watch ad, we will be able to use this VPN for our Android mobile phone. Okay, and you can change the location. I'm just going to select, for example, Australia. Okay, I'm just going to click on OK. And we just need to wait for a moment until the connecting process completed. Okay, now it's done. Now I'm browsing from Australia. Okay, and the second application I'm going to recommend you is called Turbo VPN. You just need to search for the VPN app on your Android mobile phone. Then you can install that. Okay, I have installed this application on my phone guys, and we can tap to connect. Right? Okay, and then I'm going to change my location. For example, I'm gonna go with United Kingdom, and I'm going to select London. Okay, now it's connected guys. As you can see that this location has been activated on my Android mobile phone. Okay guys, and that's all the way to use VPN on Android mobile phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.